Hello, my dear kids, welcome back. I hope you are healthy and safe. I'm Diljit Kaur of class 2. This is my second video lecture of computer. I hope you have done back exercise of chapter 1. Today we will discuss our next chapter 2, that is parts of computer. So students, look at the picture and tell me about it. What is this? Yes, this is a picture of parts of body. Human body has many parts and each part does some special functions. For example, eyes to see, nose to smell, skin to feel and tongue to taste. In the same way, a computer too has different parts and each part do some special functions. Computer has four main parts, that is monitor, mouse, keyboard, CPU and other parts. All these parts are connected with wire to the computer. These devices together make the computer system. Firstly, I am going to explain you about its main parts. First is mouse. It is a pointing device. It has two buttons, right button, left button and a wheel in the center. It helps us to draw and color the pictures. Mouse is also used to select and moving things and objects on the screen. Next is keyboard. Students, if you want to write something on the notebook, what you will use? You will use a pencil. Yes, in the same way, if you want to type something on computer, we need keyboard. It has many keys on it. You can type alphabets, numbers and symbols by pressing these keys. Whenever you press any key, the same character is displayed on the monitor. The main keys on the keyboard are enter, spacebar, alphabet, number and delete. Next is CPU. CPU is the brain of computer and it stands for Central Processing Unit. It is just as our brain which control all the functions of our body, and CPU control all the functions of different parts of computer. It is fixed inside the system box which contains on off switch button, points to connect all other devices through wires and a DVD drive. Next is monitor. It looks like a TV. It displays pictures and words you type on the keyboard. We can play games, watch cartoons and movies on it. Now I will explain you about more parts of computers. The first is speakers. These are used to listen to sounds and music on a computer. Next is headphones. It has small speakers. With the help of headphones, only single person can listen to sound or music who is using it. Next is microphone. It works like a mic, but we can do sound recording too into a computer with the help of microphone. Next is printer. It is used to take a print out of the work done on the computer. For example, the assignment in the computer is called soft copy, and when you get that assignment on a paper, that is called hard copy. And next is scanner. It is just like a photocopier machine. With the help of scanner, we can scan and save any document or picture into the computer. Next is web camera. It is attached to a computer. It is used to take live images. For example, we can do video calls to anyone around the world. The last one is UPS. It means uninterrupted power supply. It gives power backup to computer for some time to save our work by keeping the computer on when the power supply is off. So these were the other parts of computer. Okay, now students, tell me where you store your clothes. Yes, in a cupboard. So, in the same way, if you want to save or store your work, data, or information permanently, then we need a storage device to store. So, there are some storage devices. Number one is hard disk. It is just like a small box that is fixed inside the CPU. Whatever we store on computer, that store in the hard disk. Next is external hard disk. It is same as hard disk. It is attached outside the system and can be carried easily from one place to another. Next is CD. CD stands for compact disc and DVD stands for digital video disc. These are mainly used to store music, movies and other data. But DVD can store more data than a CD. The last is pen drive. It is a small storage device. It is easier to use and carry. It can store large amount of data. It is also known as flash drive. Okay, so students, we have complete our chapter 2 and now you will read, revise and do your back exercise. After finishing your back exercise, you will check your answers from the answer key and learn it. So, see you soon. Till then, bye bye and take care.